In this video, we will cover how to specify group information for your samples. Group information is necessary to conduct downstream statistical comparisons. Building off of our example from the last video, here we see the samples for the peptide measurements, referred to as the sample ID column, with additional information regarding the primary and secondary phenotype that each sample belongs to. You may shorten long sample names for cleaner plots with the trimmed sample names for plotting button. Next, specify which column in your sample group file contains the sample names that match the column names in your expression data. Then, select which columns contain either main effects or covariates. Main effects are variables with multiple categories that you want to use when comparing the expression of each biomolecule. When two main effects are specified, the categories from each variable are combined to make groups. And covariates are variables that may influence biomolecule expression, which will be accounted for in the statistical model, but we aren't explicitly interested in quantifying the effect associated with a covariate. From our previous example, the phenotype column may be specified as the main effect, and the second phenotype may be considered either a second main effect if you care to quantify its effect, or a covariate if you do not. You must always select at least one main effect unless your data is paired. Main effects may be specified with a pairing variable as well. Once you are satisfied with the grouping structure, click Apply Grouping. If any mistakes were made, click Reset Grouping to try again. If your data are paired, such as an experiment with a before and after measurement, you can specify pairs and pair groups as follows. Specify which column is the pair IDs, the pair groups, and which group ID specifies the denominator. When finished, click Apply Grouping.